Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kuku Banks and this is a tutorial video, and it was inspired by a friend. A friend reached out to me and asked me how he can create an account on Exness. Exness is a broker. I've talked about it in my previous videos. You can check it out. So he wanted to find out how he can start trading Forex or the stocks market. And in order to do so, you need a brokerage account. So I recommended Exness to him, and he was like, he will need my assistance as to how he will be able to create an account on Exness, how he will be able to verify. So I decided to come up with this video to teach each and everyone how to create an account on Exness, how you can verify, and how you can begin placing trades in order to make money. Without wasting much time, let's begin. So in order to create an account on Exness, we have two types. We have a real account and we have a demo account. With a demo account, there is no need to verify. You can choose to verify the account or not. And without the verification, you can still go ahead and place your trades. But when it comes to the real account, in order not to face any restrictions or in order not to face any challenges, you have to verify the account. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your Exness account and the particulars you will need or the documents you need to do so. So before we start, if you are using the mobile phone, head over to your Google Play Store, or if you are using the Apple, head over to your Apple App Store and type Exness and download it. After downloading it, make sure that it has successfully installed on your phone. If you are also using your PC or your laptop, just head over to your browser and type exness.com and proceed. So now I'll head over to my screen and guide you through the step-by-step process you need to create an account on Exness, how to verify, and how you can begin placing trades. Okay, so now we are on my screen and I've opened my browser. Okay, this goes in line with those of us that are going to use their laptop or their PC to sign up on Exness. Okay, so when you head over to your browser, you type Exness. Okay, this is Exness. Then you press enter. It will take you to a couple of links on Google, but make sure that you open the one that says exness.com. You tap on it. So since we are here to create an account, we'll go ahead and click on register. Okay, register here. And Exness wants to verify if you are a human or you are a robot. Okay, so this is nothing scary, it's just a security check. So it is saying verification successful. Now it will take us to a sign up form for us to fill. We'll have to fill this form in order to create an account. So we'll have to select the country, and in this case it will differ. Okay, I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, you can select Nigeria. If you are in Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, USA, wherever you are, okay, I'll just go ahead and select Ghana. And it is asking for my email address, so I'll go ahead and use my email address. Now it will ask you to create a password. Okay, and with the password they have some specifications that it will have to meet. So the first one, the password will have to be between 8 to 15 characters. Okay, and there should be at least one upper and one lowercase letter in your password. The third thing, it says at least one number, so you need to have a number in your password. And the last one is saying you need to have at least one special character. Okay, good. So we'll go ahead and type a random password, an imaginary password. Okay, so you see all these specifications are red. That means our password does not meet the requirements. Okay, so I've erased some letters, and now the first one has checked green. The next thing we have to do is we need to have at least one uppercase and one lowercase. So let's make the first letter uppercase and see. So you see that one has checked. Okay, it is saying at least one number. So we can add 1. And it's saying at least one special character. So let's use something like the $sign. So now we have a password that meets the requirement that Exness is asking us. Okay. Then you press continue. So we confirm that we are not a robot and we proceed. And now it is saying select all images with crosswalks. Okay. Now let's verify. So in my case, I've already used this mail to create an account. So let me go ahead and change the mail. Okay, now let's proceed and see. So because we are using the browser to sign up, it will take us to Exness web terminal. Okay, so we have successfully created an account, but we've not provided enough details for the account, and we've not even verified the account yet. Okay, so in order to do so, we come to this place, then we go to our personal area, and over here we go to complete profile. Okay, see that it is saying hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit. We'll ignore the notifications, and over here, or it's already at raw account. So if you want to create a demo account, this is where you click. Okay, and they've automatically created a $10,000 demo account. Okay, but in this tutorial, our focus will be on the raw account. Let's go to the complete profile, and you can see that Exness is telling us to verify our contact details. Okay, so let's get started now. And now Exness is saying that they've sent us a verification code that is valid for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and check our mail and type the verification code. So we just typed our verification code and we wait for it to proceed. So we just verified our email address. Okay, now we confirm our phone number. So in this case, you go ahead and you type your phone number. Then you continue. So they are going to send a code to your telephone number. Okay, and you type it here. So we'll go ahead and type our code that Exness just sent to us. Okay, and we wait for it to verify, and it's successful. Okay, so the third thing is to add a profile information. So they are asking for our name, our first name. You type your first name here, and they are asking for our last name. You type your last name too here. Now they are asking for date of birth. So you go ahead and you select your date of birth. Okay, so you select your gender and you continue. Okay, so Exness is asking, what is the purpose of opening your account? Okay, are you opening the account for investment purposes? Are you opening the account for hedging purposes? Or are you opening the account for speculation purposes? Okay, and let me just break this thing down for you. Okay, so investment, this is reserved for people that are going to be swinging, people that have long-term mindsets. Okay, they are investors, they have huge amount of capital, so they come in, they place a trade, they leave it to run for days or even months. Okay, so it's just like you investing in a particular asset or a particular stock or a particular property. You get it? Good. Then we have hedging. Okay, we have hedging. And lastly, we have speculation, which is the category that you and I would likely fall into. Okay, because we are retail traders. We come and we speculate. We place a trade, and within some few minutes or hours, we close it. Or we place trades, and within a day or two, we close it. Okay, so we are into the trading for speculation purposes. So we'll go ahead and we'll select speculation. However, if you fall under any of this and you do not fall under the speculation category, you can go ahead and select either you are going to hedge the markets, you are going to invest, or you join us as we select the speculation. Exness will ask you to select your source of income and wealth. Okay, is it savings? Are you self-employed? Is it from renting? Is it from borrowed funds or a loan? Is it from pension or inheritance? Okay, so we'll go ahead and select employment or business proceedings. Okay, then we proceed. Now, Exness is asking your occupation or the type of industry that you operate in. Okay, they have so many occupation and industry that you have to select from. So we'll go ahead and select one of these that best describes our occupation or the category that we fall into. Okay, so let's select IT. Okay, you can select any of the category that fits you. Okay, then we continue. Now, Exness is asking us to select our total wealth, including cash and bank account balances. Okay, including, since most of us are beginners, we are going to select this one, $0 to $20,000. Okay, majority of us will fall into this category, so we select that one and we proceed. Exness is asking our current employment status. Okay, Exness wants to know if you are a student, if you are unemployed, if you are employed and working, or you are a business owner, if you are retired, or you are just a freelancer. You get it? So you look through and you select the one that best fits your employment status. Okay, good. So we select self-employed. Okay, and after selecting the self-employed, Exness wants you to specify, okay, the type of business or the name of your business. Okay, so you go ahead and you type that there. Then you continue. Okay, Exness is asking that annually, how much income do you earn or do you gain after taxes? So every year, which amount do you get after deducting your taxes from it? Okay, over here we are going to select the 0 to 20,000 USD over here. Okay, so Exness is asking us that what is our CFD, okay, trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years. Okay, in this case, the purpose of this tutorial is to help a beginner create and verify an account on Exness. So that means the person have zero experience or have never traded in the financial market. Okay, so we'll go ahead and select less than 10 trades. How long would you need to master trading skills? Okay, so let's select 6 months plus with proper study. Okay, now what is the anticipated monthly income you are prepared to invest with Exness? Okay, you can select maybe up to 25% of my monthly income. And what are your plans on trading within 1 year? Okay, become a full-time professional trader. Let's select that one. What trading instruments do you plan to use? In my case, I prefer metals, which is gold particularly. But since in this tutorial we are talking about the forex currency pairs, we'll select that one. Okay, then we proceed. How did you know about Exness for the first time? In this case, we will select YouTube because that friend of mine saw my tutorials on YouTube and he was like, assist me to create it. So we'll select YouTube. Okay. Then we submit. And Exness is telling us that all is set. Okay. For 14 days, you can deposit up to 500 USD and trade. After that, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Okay, so upon all the details we provided, Exness is telling us that they've still placed a restriction on their accounts. For 14 days, we can only deposit up to 500 USD and trade with it. And after that, we'll have to verify our accounts or our identity. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's verify our identity now. So over here, they are asking us to cross-check our name if that is correct. So it is correct. We proceed to upload documents. To continue, we have to check this box and proceed to submit documents. Okay, so these are the type of documents Exness wants you to upload one of them. Okay, so with the country, it's already at Ghana because that's what we selected. And with the identity documents, either you select passports, a driver's license, ID card, or non-citizen ID card, insurance card, or a voter's ID card. We will go ahead and select the ID card. However, you are free to select any of them provided you have it. Okay, so Exness is giving us a brief tutorial on how to take picture of the ID that we selected, the front and the back of it. Okay, so they've written their do's and don'ts here. Okay, so over here, Exness is asking us to upload the front of the documents here. Okay, either you drag and drop it here or you tap on it and you select where that image or that picture is on your laptop or your PC. Then you come and do same over here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. Exness is telling us that our documents are under review, and until they approve the documents, we can go ahead and make a deposit. So I just took you through the process you have to undergo in order to verify your live or raw Exness accounts. So this becomes the dashboard of our accounts, the accounts that we just verified. Okay, and we have a raw account that we've not made any deposit yet. So I just showed you how you can successfully create an account on Exness and how you can verify it, and also how you can begin placing your trades, be it forex trading or stocks or any other instruments in the financial industry. I've also talked about Exness in a previous video whereby I showed you how you can place your first trade in forex trading. As a beginner, it's very simple and it's very straightforward. You can also check it out. Thank you very much for watching up to this far, and let me know in the comment section if you have any problem at all in forex trading that you would like me to assist you or create a video explaining how to solve such problem. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.